Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Stack Learning. I hope everybody is doing really great. Welcome back to another series of generative AI session. And today's session is basically where I'll be diving into the fascinating world of zero shot prompting. And I had a series of sessions on generative AI previously, so please go and watch. And today's session is majorly I'll be focusing on live examples of how to do the zero shot promptings in a different unique examples we'll be walking you all through. So imagine giving an AI model a task or a question it has never seen before with no examples or context to guide it, right? It delivers the meaningful responses. So zero shot prompts basically shows the true power of AI's ability to generate knowledge across diverse topics, whether it's defining a complex terms, or it could be generating creative ideas, or even solving the problems on the fly, right? This shows how versatile and effective generative AI models are. All right, stick around, guys, to see some exciting examples and discover why this technique is such a game changer. All right. I'll be walking you all through the 20 unique types of examples of zero shot prompts with an explanation. So as I told in the previous session, zero shot prompts are direct instructions given to an AI model without any prior examples or context. Okay. So let's start with first examples, basically defining a term, right? So what I'll say is, what is quantum computing? Yeah. So this will start giving you the what to say, uh, the right it gives AI start providing the explanation of the concepts without additional context, right? This is useful when seeking direct informations, right? This is one of the examples of defining a term and understanding AI giving the explanations for it. Okay, now let's see second type of example, that is translation is another topic which we usually see, right? What if we ask translate the following sentence into different language, right? For example, I'm going to say translate the following sentence into French or Spanish. So we'll see how the ChatGPT is going to respond, right? So it says the translated format of this the statement, right? This is another unique example of zero shot prompting. Then comes summarizations is another couple of another types of examples where we have. So I'm going to ask summarize the following text, right? Artificial intelligence is transforming industries through some automation, etc. Summarize the following text. This is what I'm going to ask. So it has summarized it. Artificial intelligence is revolutionary, but so what it did, it gave a summarized version of my context, right? Concise summary. Then the next type of example is generate a list. Like if you ask list five benefits of using uh, an renewable energy, right? So what happens, that it gives you the five benefits of using the renewable energy. Yeah, you can see it has given in the proper five bullet points, right? Next we have assume we have to solve any math problem, right? What we can say, like what is 20 times 36, right? So 720. So it calculated for you and gave you the results, right? Next we can ask GPT to prompt GPT to explain a joke, right? So we can say You can say, why is this joke funny? Explain me why this joke is funny, right? So what happens? It picks up and it gives you why it is funny. Don't have the guts, right? So this is how it gave the reasonings and explanation. Is another way of, we can call it as another example. Then maybe if you want to create any recipe, right, we can ask create a recipe for a chocolate cake. So it gives you, it is very smart enough to understand the user's query and try to get what is required for the recipe. Ingredients. It gave you all the list of ingredients. It gave you the instructions to prepare for the same, right? The next maybe if you want to create any tagline, right? So I can say create a tagline for uh, an eco eco friendly product. You can see green today, green tomorrow. This is very nice, right? So next one is you give a code and ask GenAI to give an explanations, right? So I will take some code, whatever I have, and I will ask GenAI to explain that. So I just took some sample code, explain what this code does, right? So so I'll just send this and we'll see what is it doing. So it gave you the detailed explanation of the code. The code is a simple for loop in JavaScript that prints number 0 to 9 in the console and gave you the detailed breakdown. What does it do? And also it executed and it gave you the output, right? This is how it works. Next, if you want to write a poem, right? So I will say write a haiku about autumn. So it basically composes this haiku directly based on its understanding of the structure and the theme, right? You can see it has generated it. And if you want a GenAI to recommend you something, like for example, you are a book reader and you want to see the list of books about certain topics, right? So if I ask, recommend a book about space. So I recommend Cosmos by Carl Sagan. So it gives you the book recommendation without needing examples of previous any recommendations, right? And assume if you want to start any business, right? And GenAI can give you some of the business ideas based on its own knowledge, what it has, right? So let me ask, suggest a business idea for a service, right? Yeah, it gives you all the with the all the details it has, right? So if you want to have some review by GenAI on certain product or on certain topic, right? So we can ask what are the pros and cons of using nuclear energy. So it gives you the detailed pros, detailed cons, which has like 5 points each, with all the details. Right, this is all about it. So write it if you want any tweet, right? So write a tweet, um, tweet prompting a new AI powered app. So it composes a concise and engaging tweet based on the whatever we have asked for. The AI says it gave you the detailed with hashtag as well, right? Uh, so if you want to explain certain concepts, right, for kids, especially if they want to learn, right, explain photosynthesis to a 5-year-old kid. So it will help you give the details about what is photosynthesis for a 5-year-old kid. So if you want to plot a movie, like a brief plot for a certain movie scenes, right? Write a brief plot for a science fiction movie. You can see it has given you that details as well. So these are the different ways. These are the examples which showcase how zero-shot prompting allows for flexibility and adaptability across various domains without requiring explicit examples or prior context. Okay. So I have used ChatGPT platform to show you all guys on how to do it. You can also navigate to this link chatgpt.com, and you can try play around with the different ways of prompt techniques here and tweak it accordingly. Okay, and that wraps up our exploration of zero shot prompts. As you have seen, this technique demonstrates the incredible versatility of AI in understanding and generating content without needing explicit examples, right? Just direct ask. From creative applications to practical problem solving, zero shot prompting opens up endless possibilities. Whether you're new to AI or an experienced AI, mastering this technique can be significantly enhance your interactions with models. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the world of AI and other technical stacks. Drop a comment below with your favorite zero shot use case, or if there is a topic you'd like to cover next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.